We are going to be trying Zatarain's blackened chicken Alfredo. This was in the freezer section at the grocery store, and I am dying to try this. Let's see if it's any good. So you microwave it for 2 minutes, and that's it. This is what it comes out looking like. It smells good. That's actually okay. This is actually really good. And normally I'm not like the biggest like frozen food person, frozen meal. But the Alfredo sauce is coming through. It's got a little bit of a heat. The chicken is well flavored. I think I should have put some red pepper flakes in here just to give it a little bit more heat. It has actually got a really good flavor. The chicken's got some sort of like seasoning on it. I'm really impressed with this. I didn't think it was going to taste so good. Super easy. This whole bowl's got 460 calories in it. 21 grams of protein. A lot of sodium, but if you're in a pinch and you need something to eat, this is really good. Try it out. Frozen section.